G'day everyone, it's Chriso. Yesterday I did the waterproofing. Now I'm going to be laying my floor and I'll come on to that shortly. But the very first thing I'm going to do is I want to put a little bit of slope on this so it dries, and then I can waterproof it tomorrow. So while I've mixed up my glue, I've mixed it up a little bit stiffer. Just so I can put a bit of slope on my niche. Just like that, just like that. I don't have to make sure I'm level or anything like that. I know I've got room up here for it. Just got to fill in that corner a little. Right. Doesn't have to be pretty, people. You know, don't muck around with it too much. Like I'm doing. No need for that. Right, so that'll be dry by tomorrow. I can then waterproof it nicely, so the water, if the water goes in there, it'll run down there, hit that slope, down my wall and into the underneath the strip drain. Alright people, that's it. I'll catch up with you. My next thing is I'm going to be doing my floor now, and I'll show you that set out and show you how to do it. This is Chriso. I am a professional tiler. I have been for a bloody long time. I'm proud of what I do. I am a true tradie. See ya. Bye.